Guys, and in today's video, we are gonna try some bulldog. Ito guys, Dibidyoan ko lang ito guys, in case na merong maganda taka. Ito na guys, Smell ko nga. Parang spicy Also guys, I almost forgot to mention, first time ko yan mag-taste ng bulldog. Wish ko, less spicy to kaysa sa samyang. Dati kasi nagsamyang ako yung cheese. Kasama yung kuya ko. Tapos nun, nagbaburn nun yung ano ko. Ito guys. Huwag ka mahulog camera. Ready? Ay, nako. Maliit pa lang guys. Maliit lang dapat. Less spicy siya dahil hindi namin na-add yung cheese. I think it's burning. Anyways guys, nakatanggalin na muna ito. Egg na muna guys, syempre, egg. Ganito ba guys kumain ng egg? Look. Bruh. Woo! Kakat ko na muna to guys. Dun sa part na kinakain ko na yung noodles, okay? Matagal na to guys eh. Okay guys, nagka-plan na akong bigay na lang to sa papa ko. Wala kasi yung kapatid ko dito eh. Whew. Big or small? Small muna guys, na small. Okay, this is not small. This is not small. Stop. Yun. Taste test natin guys. Ready? Ooh. Okay, it's spicy. Okay. Joke lang. 3, 2, 1. Spicy! Pero guys, mag-no-water challenge ako. Sakit ang lalamunan ko. Imagine pa ba, guys, kung paano ko ito kakainin. Buisit, meron pang sauce. Ito na guys, big naman.
Tignan mo yung dinosaur.
This is not big, this is mega. Please stop. Please. Please. Stop! No. Please, stop. Kainat. Pinuputol ko, guys. Dapat talaga, guys, merong cheese ito. Imagine pa ba, guys, kung paano ko to kakainin? Putulin ko nga, guys. Kainat. Sorry guys, dahil kinakamay ko. Ka-dirty na kamay ko. There. Ready na guys. 3, 2, 1. Guys, my eyes are crying. So hot. Taka guys, wash ko na muna hands ko. Paras. Mom, kaparas.
Uy, gusto mo yan eh.
Guys, paano ko ito matatapos?
Hey, Google.
Part 2. Gusto ko kasi guys manood.